Hello everybody, it's Tracy. Okay, so I have a few little projects to share with you today. I got busy with my Cricut Explore Air. I've had it for a couple of years and I love it. I've always been a Cricut girl and I've had many Cricuts over the years. This Explore is awesome. But I haven't been using it as much as I probably could. I know how to do a lot of stuff on it, but whatever. Too many crafts, so little time. But I was inspired by two YouTubers because they showed some things that they created and they did tutorials. So the first one was Tamika at Scrap the World. Now, she did her tutorial on her silhouette cameo, which I don't have, but it's the same idea as the Cricut, and so I just followed suit on my Cricut. And what she created were bag toppers, and I love bag toppers, so I thought, let me try it. So that's what I did, and let me show you what I created. Now, these are all not embellished because I will embellish them later. I just wanted to get the idea of what to do, and that's what I did. So the first one I did like she did, and it is a heart-shaped bag topper and really cute. Trying to find my darn bag to show you. Well, here's one. And so opens up like that, and then you would put it on the bag like that. Okay, so I just made it out of some paper I had in here. Now, this was cute, except I wasn't crazy about this. So what I ended up doing was I made the next bag toppers with no opening on the top, but I punched it with my punch. So here's the second heart-shaped one, and this one is smaller. And so I'd left this plain, which can be done, but I decided to see what it looked like with that little punch, and I like it. I like it much better. So there's that one. Then I tried the coffee cup that she did, which was super cute. So this is my little coffee or tea cup, and that would go like that. And lastly, I tried the butterfly that she did. Well, it's not the same idea. And for this one, instead of doing the square top like these, I decided to get wild and try the round top. And I really like it. So I think I'll be doing some more with round tops. And that's the butterfly topper, which I love. And I think that's my favorite one, the butterfly, of the ones that I tried. So that's that. Now, Gloria, who is Crafty Cake 7 on YouTube, she created some really cute nail polish shaker cards. So I saw the die a while back, and I did not order it because it was quite pricey. But I did order this Honeybee Stamps set from Honeybee. The die that they created is also by Honeybee that I didn't get. But I saw Gloria show what she made on her Cricut, and she was so kind as to create a tutorial. So followed her tutorial with my own little adjustments. And this is what I came up with. This is the first little, let me go back a little, nail polish shaker card that I did. And I made mine quite large. This is 7 inches tall because at first I made it smaller and I just wanted to make it larger. So this is what I did, and this is the inside. That's the back. The bow is a Pretty Pink Posh bow. I didn't bother to make it on the Cricut since I had the bow die handy. And so that is that. Really cute. I love it. And so I was so excited that I said, let me try another one. And so I did. Here's another one, same size. There's the shaker with designer paper and a different color glitter, which I love. So stinking cute. I didn't put anything in it yet because I have to decide who I'm giving it to and what it needs to say. So there's that. Then I really got excited and thought, let me try a different shape. And how about a lipstick? So I created this lipstick. And this is the front and that's the back. And of course it is the shaker. And I put a smaller bow on it. And I love it. The inside, love it. Yep, so that is what I created on my Cricut. And thank you so much, Gloria. I had so much fun following your tutorial and making these cards. And I really appreciate you taking the time out to make the video, the tutorial. And Tamika, thank you so much for taking the time out to make your tutorial video. I really, really appreciate all you ladies who do videos, and especially tutorial videos. So that's that. And everybody, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.